I was only walking through your neighborhood, saw you light on honey in the cold. I stood. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up here. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. There you are. There you are. You're the fire and the flood, and I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine when your head's resting next to mine, next to mine. You're the fire and the flood.
I don't want to fight anymore. I don't want to fight my dad. I don't want to fight you. I am so tired and sad and sick of being angry. And I just want to feel and to be in a safe place. And I don't know why or how, and I can't explain it, but you're the safest place I have. And everything would be okay for the first time in a really long time if you would just start kissing me now. So...
Anywhere I go, there you are. Late at night, when you can't fall asleep, I'll be lying right beside you, counting sheep. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. There you are. There you are. You're the fire and the flood, and I always.
Annie, I'm in trouble. And I don't know who else to talk to about it. But you are who I want to talk to, because I'm in love with you. And I've been in love with you. Feels like forever. And I'm failing at it. I'm failing at loving you. I'm failing at protecting you. I'm failing at being your boss. I'm failing at being your friend. I'm sorry.
Like, how do we get married when we know the good stuff?
I snore sometimes. Not like a rhythmic snoring. More like one loud snort. I've been accused of being too neat. To a fault. Possibly compulsion. I drive too fast. I'm too nervous on planes. I'm quick to anger. I don't say that I'm sorry nearly as quickly as I should. And if voices are served, I will not share mine.
Robert makes me feel... He makes me feel... Not a lot of men have done that. I mean, he loves me, Dad, I know that much. I do.